Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a motion video in Leonardo AI. So first of all, open up Google. Now in here type in Leonardo AI, hit enter. Now in here go to the website. Now in here go to image creation right here. Now once you're in image creation, type in the prompt right here and create a picture that you want to use in your motion video. So I will be going for this prompt right here, and after that click on generate right here. Now here are the two pictures that Leonardo AI has created for me. Now I quite like the first picture right here. Now after you've gotten the picture that you want to create a motion video of, just hover your mouse over it, and after that click on this button right here that says generate motion video. Click on it, and after that click on generate right here. So here my video has been generated and it will appear in your personal feed in your creations. So I'm just gonna play it by just clicking on it. So here is a video. Now you can download it by just clicking on this download button and it will be downloaded but with a watermark also. Now if you don't want to create your own images, what you can do is to just go to home page. Now in here just simply scroll down. And in here you would have the community generated pictures that you can also use for motion videos. For example, I would want to go for this one, so just click on it. Now in here scroll down as well until you see image to motion right here. Click on it, click on generate, and after that it would says generating motion and that video would appear in your personal feed. So that is pretty much it, and that is how you guys can make a motion video in Leonardo AI using the pictures you created or using the community generated pictures if you want. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.